morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching me from. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're looking at the best forex pair to trade. I'm sure if you have been trading for some time and you're not profitable, or even you're a beginner, you might be wondering how many currency pairs should you trade? Should you trade all the currency pairs? Should you trade only one or two currency pairs? Should you pick 5? Should you pick 10? Or should you trade about 15 currency pairs? This is what you're going to actually look at in this particular video. How many forex pairs are you supposed to trade, or what are the best forex pairs you have to trade? When I began my journey as a forex trader some years back, I also went through the same problem, the same dilemma you're facing today. I also faced the same thing because I was new to the industry. I didn't have a mentor. I didn't know whom to follow. I didn't know what to do. So I was wondering, how many currency pairs should I trade? Should I trade only one? Should I trade 2? Should I trade 5? Should I trade all the currency pairs? And when I watch YouTube videos, when I go to this channel, the person talk about this. I go to this channel, the person talk about something else, and I was messed. My brain was messed in the whole process. So I went through the same dilemma. That's why today I decided to make a video to show you here today what you have to do. I want to show you the step-by-step, step-by-step plan you have to follow so that you'll be able to select few currency pairs, or maybe 1, or maybe 2, or maybe if you want to trade all, depending on the criteria you're going to put yourself inside. So let's get started and let's see what you can cover. So to trade a forex pair, you must 1, understand the various currencies involved, and 2, you must understand your own trading strategy. So first one, understand your various currency involved. What does it mean? It means that when you trade any forex pair, you know forex pairs is made up of what? 2 currency pairs, right? 2 currencies. So maybe Euro with USD. We have USD, JPY. There are various currency pairs involved. We have AUD, JPY, AUD, USD, AUD, CAD. 2 pairs, 1 currency. We cannot say 1 currency pair. A pair is what? 2, right? 2 currencies. So before you can trade any currency pair, you must understand the various currencies involved. You must understand how they behave. For instance, if you want to trade Euro USD, you must understand how the Euro behave and how the USD also behave. But before that, you must know that there are about 7 major currency pairs. We have the USD, we have the Euro, we have the AUD, we have JPY, we have NZD, we have the British Pound, and which one again? I think that's all. So there are about 7 major currency pairs. When you pair these currencies with the USD, then we get a major currency pair. So for instance, USD being the center of everything, okay? There's a history behind this. You can also search why USD is the center of all the currencies. You can search for it on YouTube or Google and you can find the answer. But USD is the center of all the currency pairs. So if you pair any of these major currency pairs with the USD, we call it a major pair, okay? We call it a major pair. So for instance, you pair AUD with USD, Euro with USD, JPY with USD, British Pound with USD. Any pair with USD in the pair, it is what? A major currency pair. But when you pair these majors also among themselves, maybe AUD JPY, there's no USD inside, AUD pound, AUD switch, good, I did not mention switch, AUD switch, AUD NZD. When you pair these major among themselves, they are called cross pairs. People also call them exotic pairs. But it doesn't matter, guys. The name does not matter. What matters is what? The understanding you have about the concept. In trading, it's not about grammar, okay? In trading, it's not about grammar. It's about what? The concept you understand. It's not about knowing the names. No, it's about understanding the concept behind them. So let's recap. When you pair any currency, any of the major currency pairs with the USD, it means you are trading a major currency pair. If you pair them among themselves, maybe which is not having the USD inside, we call it what? Cross pairs or exotic pairs. On some charts, when you look on some charts, brokers separate them. Brokers even separate them differently. Maybe you can find USD JPY under major pair. By some brokers, when you open, they will put it under minor pairs. Some brokers, they will put it even under exotic pairs. But you must master all the 7 major ones, okay? USD, Euro, JPY, NZD, Canadian dollar, AUD, which one again, and the pound and the switch. You must understand all these major ones because that's the center of everything. That's where all the other currency pairs revolve around them. So to trade a forex pair, you must understand the currency pairs involved, and 2, you must understand your strategy. So let's come to the strategy. You ask yourself, how many strategies do you want to trade? What is my trading plan? In trading, you can trade one strategy with several markets, okay? Maybe one strategy, maybe one setup with several markets, or you can trade several strategies with only one market. Do you get the difference? You can trade one strategy with several markets. Maybe you want to trade maybe support and resistance. So maybe your chart, when you open your chart every day, you only look for what? Support and resistance. Which that is your strategy. Which means you're going to trade support and resistance with all the currency pairs, or maybe 5 currency pairs, or maybe 6 currency pairs, or maybe 10 currency pairs, which means you're trading one strategy with several pairs. Or you have support and resistance, you have trend line breakout, you have triangular pattern, you have wedge pattern. You trade all these strategies with maybe 1 or 2 currency pairs, which means you are limiting the strategies to 1 or 2 currency pairs. So as a beginner, I'll advise you that you choose maybe 1 or 2 strategy, because if you're not profitable, then you're actually a beginner, right? Yes. So you choose 1 or 2 strategies, and then you master them, master the 2 strategies, and use those two strategies to trade about 3 currency pairs. That's all. That's what I will advise you to do. You master 2 strategies, select only 3 currency pairs, and you trade. Or you can master only 1 strategy, just 1, and then trade them with about 5 or 10 currency pairs. That would be my advice. So you master only 1 strategy. Maybe you're trading only trend line breakout, which means when you open your chart, when you open these currency pairs every single day, maybe 5 currency pairs, when you open them every single day, you're looking for only trend line breakout. If you don't find trend line breakout, you don't take any trade. Very simple. Trading is a mess. So if you yourself, you're not very specific about what you're looking for, you will mess the whole process up. So people are lost. They don't know what to do because they are hearing a lot of information. They don't know what to do. It's all because you don't have specific plan. You must plan before you enter the market. If you don't plan before you enter the market, when you enter the market, you get confused. Like you're going to the supermarket, you want to go and buy clothes, right? You want to buy a shirt or trouser or whatever, or shoe. If you have a specific type that you want in your mind, what do? You enter the supermarket or the shopping mall, you just go and buy and you come out. How long will it take you? Maybe some 5 minutes or 10 minutes, right? Very simple. And it's like when you enter the market, you know what you're looking for. You just go and pick, okay, I'm looking for this kind of shoe. I'm looking for this kind of shirt. I want red shirt. I want blue shirt. After I get blue shirt, you're out of the market. The same way in trading. If you don't have specific plan, if you don't have your strategy, and then you open the chart, you don't know how to trade. So you must have these plans ready, okay? You must have these plans ready so that when you open your chart, you know, okay, I'm looking for trend line breakout. So you look at the currency pairs, okay, I'm selecting 5 currency pairs. I'm trading trend line breakout. I'm selecting 3 currency pairs. I'm trading trend line breakout and support and resistance. Or I'm selecting maybe 10 currency pairs, but I'm trading only 1 strategy. Maybe breakout continuation trading strategy. That's only what I'm looking for. So when you open your chart in the morning, you wake up, you open your chart on your screen, and then you watch this chart. You watch this chart until your setup is ready. When your setup is ready, you also look for a very good entry and enter the market. But aside the major currency pair, there are also something they call exotic pairs. Okay, exotic pairs or very minor pairs. These ones are not like the minor I'm talking about. Every broker has a name or they give it to you, but I'm talking about pairing one major currency with an emerging economic currency, maybe USD with the ZAR, okay, the South African ZAR, or maybe with the Rand or something. Those ones I don't trade them, okay. I don't trade exotic pairs. I would advise you that trade only the major pairs. If you don't find any of the major in the currencies, don't trade, okay. Because one, the spread, okay, if you don't know spread, that's the difference between your bid and ask price, okay. So the spread must be very tight because if you're trading a major pair, the spread is very tight. Moreover, the movement is not erratic as the other minor and the exotic pairs, because the minor and the exotic pairs, because they are very lighter, somebody can just push the market at any moment. But the major pairs, they are heavy, okay. They are heavy, it's not likely for it to be pushed unless there is news. Moreover, there is more information you can get on the internet about that particular pair you want to trade. Maybe you want to trade Euro USD. There are more information on the internet you can also get for free. But when you're trading exotic pairs, it's difficult for you to find these informations. So you're going to wonder yourself, okay. But the best currency pair to trade depends on you, the trader, and your strategy. So the best currency pair to trade depends on what? You, the trader, and your strategy. Maybe you are a day trader. You trade 15 minutes candles. You trade H1 candles. So what do? You decide to select, okay, 5 major currency pairs: Euro USD, USD JPY, AUD USD, USD CAD, or Pound Yen. Then you select them on your watch list. So you watch them every single day. When the market comes and then it opens and you find a strategy, then you trade. Or maybe you can say, okay, my strategy, I want to trade all the currency pairs because I have a strategy like the breakout continuation trading strategy. I need to trade all the currency pairs. I also use the currency trend meter to trade all the currency pairs. Okay, but this video is general video. YouTube videos are general. We talk about general matters. We don't talk about specific things. So in general, maybe you are using my strategy or you're not even using my strategy. You must find the setup that you want. What is your trading plan? Before you can select, okay, which currency pair is best. There is no best currency pair and there is no worst currency pair. It all depends on how your strategy behaves with the market. Simple. Moreover, the time also accounts because people are saying that the Asian session is not good to trade. The US session is the best time to trade. But me, the worst session for me, per my strategy, is the US session. Yes, it's the US session. Why? People think the US session is the best, but me, per my strategy, I like the cool environment. I like the Asian session and the Europe session. Yes, that's per my strategy, because I like very quiet environment, very cool environment where I can make correct analysis. That's it. So it's not about when to trade or where to trade. It's about you, the trader, your strategy. How are you trading? So because of that, you must know what you're doing as a trader. You can't just be blindly be buying and selling. You must know what you're doing as a trader. Okay, you must know your mind. You must have proper education before you enter the market. So when you enter the market, you know, okay, I'm looking for this, I'm looking for that, I'm looking for this, I'm looking for that. Let me tell you something before you leave. Most people are not profitable because they come to YouTube and they think that they can just watch YouTube videos and become profitable. But let me tell you something. Let me give you a scenario. Let's say a designer or a carpenter. You all know carpenters, right? Those who make furniture and nice tables and nice artifacts. So a carpenter and you, the trader. Carpentry work, they use what? Tools. They use their hammer, they use their chisel, they use their chainsaw, other things, right? They have their tools. The same way, in trading, your tools are your trading strategies. The setups are your tools. But let me tell you, if I give you the tools to go and work right now, we were able to make a very nice wardrobe or nice architect's table or a nice shelf. You can't do that, right? Because you have the tools, but you don't have the skills to become a carpenter. You're not a carpenter yet. The same way happened in trading. I can teach you the strategy here on YouTube. I can teach you my strategy, but still you cannot become profitable with my strategy because you don't have the foundation skills, okay, to use the strategy. That is why if you keep watching YouTube videos, you can never become profitable. I'm telling you, I'm betting. This is why I can bet my life on it. You can never become profitable watching YouTube videos. Unless you are very extreme. Unless the person who is watching very extreme, sit down, read, like it's a whole lot, guys. So giving you the carpentry tools alone, buying the tools for you doesn't make you a carpenter. So now the same way I'm here giving you the tools, doesn't make you a carpenter. Doesn't make you a profitable trader. Because the tools alone cannot make you do what you're supposed to do. But the skills, the training you go through as a carpenter, either you're going to school, you're going to college, you're going to take apprenticeship, then you become a professional carpenter. Now you can use the tools to make a very beautiful artifact. The same way in trading. If you have the strategy, if I teach you the strategy online, how to use Fibonacci, you go to different strategy, you go to different channel, you learn how to use trend line, you learn a whole lot. But still, you don't have the foundation skill to become a profitable trader. So you are uneducated about that particular tool. So you can't use it. So you see somebody using chainsaw to do this. Why are you supposed to use maybe hammer? You are using chisel to do this. Why are you supposed to use maybe pickers to do something? The same way in trading. Your strategies are just like your tools that you're going to learn. So if I teach you the strategies, you can still learn the strategy, but still you cannot become profitable because you don't have the foundation skill. You're not going through any training. You don't go through any process that makes you a profitable trader. So that's it. That's why most people are not profitable in the market. So what I'm telling you that, take your time, okay? Go through proper education, read books, attend mentorship program, okay? Get proper education and stop following the guys who are taking $10 to $1 million because it is not real. They just show you fake profits. But before you go, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I always forget from the beginning of the video. I always forget. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel just to help to grow the channel, okay? Because I always forget to tell you. Because if anytime I'm talking, I want to speak out whatever I want to tell you. So I forget for you to like, share. So please, before you go, like, share, and subscribe to the channel just to help to grow the channel. On my previous video, I told you that some people are using my fake profiles to take people's money. Please don't do that. Don't give your money to fake people. If you want to contact me through my email, daytradeforliving@gmail.com. That's the only way you can contact me in case you want me to help you with something. That's the only way you can contact me. Don't contact anybody, okay? Aside the email I'm giving you here or the WhatsApp number I'm going to put on my page, don't contact anybody because, please, this channel is very young. I have about few subscribers, but still, I'm surprised why people are copying me and using my profile on Facebook and Telegram. Using me on Facebook and Telegram. Why? It's because they've seen that what I'm talking about is what is legit, and people like the idea I'm talking about, so they also want to fake it, to take people's money and just take them for granted. Please be careful, don't give your money to anybody, okay? So that'll be all for this video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.